Unraveling Slang. The meaning of lushed up. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the colorful world of English slang. Specifically, we'll uncover the meaning behind the phrase, lushed up. This might be a new expression for many of you, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it and know exactly how to use it. So, let's get started and add another phrase to your growing English vocabulary. The phrase, lushed up, is a slang term that comes from the word lush, which refers to someone who enjoys drinking alcohol a bit too much. When someone is lushed up, it means they are intoxicated or drunk. It's a casual expression and is generally not used in formal contexts. Understanding the origin of slang can often help us remember it better. The word lush, as related to drinking, has been around since the early 19th century. It's believed to possibly derive from the old slang, liquor, which was sometimes shortened to lush. Over time, lush became a noun for a drunkard, and as a verb, it means to drink heavily. From there, lushed up evolved as a way to describe the state of being drunk. Now, let's put lushed up into action. Imagine you're telling a story about a night out with friends. After a few rounds of drinks, Mike was completely lushed up and couldn't even stand straight. The whole party got lushed up and sang karaoke until 3 a.m. I don't enjoy getting lushed up. I prefer to stay in control. Remember, since it's a slang term, you'd want to avoid using lushed up in professional or formal situations. It's important to note that slang can vary greatly depending on the culture. In some English-speaking communities, getting lushed up might be seen as humorous or typical behavior in social situations. However, in others, it might carry a negative connotation or be considered inappropriate. Always consider the cultural context when using slang terms. And there you have it. You now know what lushed up means, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, while slang can be fun to use, it's also essential to use it in the right context. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped enrich your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.